Do you have any warts? Many people suffer from this, even though they are harmless and painless. When they appear in hidden places, nobody notices them, but when they appear on your face, it's hard to not bother. Warts are a problem caused by HPV human papillomavirus, which enters the body through scratches and cuts on our skin. Of course, there are medicines to remove warts. But, did you know that there are natural and homemade medicines that can help you? In today's video we will show you some lemon-based medicines that are very efficient to remove warts at home. Lemons are great medicine for warts, but you need to know how to use it correctly. It helps deconstruct cells from these tissues and eliminate the causes of warts, thanks to its citric acid. Lemon juice. Lemon juice is rich in citric acid, and it helps eliminate dead skin cells and dry warts. Here's how to use it. Clean the affected area. Squeeze some fresh lemon onto a cotton pad. Apply to your skin 2 or 3 times a day. Applying it daily for a few weeks will cause the wart to fall. Are you enjoying the video so far? Give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends, it will really help out our channel. Lemon and vinegar. Apple vinegar and lemon are both acids and work really well on warts for removal. Here's how to use them. Mix equal amounts of apple vinegar and fresh lemon juice. Soak a cotton pad with the mixture and apply it to the wart, gently. Cover them with a bandage or band-aid and let it react to the area for 1 hour. After that, remove the bandage and wash the area with warm water. Garlic and lemon. The powerful combination of garlic and lemon has been, for many years, one of the most used natural antibiotic and antifungal to remove warts from your skin. Both ingredients have substances that help destroy and inhibit the growth of many types of fungus, viruses, and bacteria. Besides that, they don't cause any undesirable side effects. Here is a recipe you can follow to get rid of any nasty warts you might have. Ingredients: 1 clove of garlic. The juice of 1 lemon. 1 bandage. Instructions. Start by mashing the garlic until it's a thick paste. Then, mix it with the lemon juice. Wait for a few minutes as the mixture reacts. After that, apply some of the mixture directly to your wart and put a bandage over it. Let it act during the night, and wash it with water the next morning. Do it every night, until your wart falls off. It's important to remember to avoid sun exposure while doing treatments with lemon because it can cause burns on your skin. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, hit the thumbs up and share it with your friends. Follow our channel for more healthy and helpful content like this.